But there's another stranger in the house. This kitten is going to investigate. Ooh, smells dusty. Coco knows what it is and runs away.
Why? What is it? What is it, Mum?
This is why...
Ooh, it stopped. I hope. Is it safe? I don't know, but I'm sticking here.
The coast is clear.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's over. Till next time. This kitten sees what the cleaner has done.
Wow, look what's happened. That's much better.
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.